Tear open the packet at the perforated points and open the box, and there's already a glimpse of the beautiful Cowboy bike. The accessories are cleverly integrated in the box in an extra package. There are the instruction guide and what is included. And we've got the pedals with the labels where they should be mounted. That makes it even easier. Behind, the 2 keys to unlock the battery. And all Allen keys necessary to set up the rest of the parts. And then of course all the accessories that are required by Germany to be used on bikes when you're driving them on the road. A rear and a front light, chargeable by micro USB, a bell and reflectors for the wheels. And of course a tool to adjust the belt tension. The charger for the battery is also included. And first of all, the battery should be removed and charged until the LED changes to green. The Cowboy bike has to be pushed out of the garage. Then remove all the protective parts from the bike. To adjust the handlebars, first rotate the front wheel until it is parallel to the frame. Then tighten the handlebar by using the 5mm Allen key. The handlebar is held by 2 screws. Tighten them with a size 4 butterfly Allen key. To adjust the brakes, loosen the screws with a 5mm Allen key and turn them towards the front wheel until a comfortable position is reached. The cables should no longer touch the frame. And then tighten the screws again. Before assembling the pedals, a little grease should be applied to prevent future cracking sounds. The right pedal is on the side with the transmission, the left without. First, turn the pedal by hand and then tighten it from behind using the 6mm Allen key provided. Now you just have to adjust the saddle correctly. Use the 4mm Allen key on the seat lock to adjust the saddle height. Maybe check the tires and inflate them. Sometimes the tires deflate during storage. And now your Cowboy bike is ready. Enjoy your rides!